If you want to get a live wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A57, then we need to go to the Play Store and we need to download a third-party app that allows us to get the free animated wallpaper. Of course, over here we're gonna tap on search and then we can use the search field at the top, and usually you can search for something like live wallpapers, video wallpapers, or animated wallpapers and stuff like that. So let's say I'm gonna search for live wallpaper, and in here you can see that we can find many different example apps, and I actually encourage you to give it a try, to try any app that you want to try, and maybe you can find something that you like more. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here, Zech. I know that it has quite a huge library of different wallpapers, so we're gonna see how it looks like. I'm gonna show you how to set it up, but like I said, feel free to try anything else. Now over here, we're gonna tap on accept and continue. Let's accept in here as well. We don't have to agree to notifications, and we can close this premium offer in the upper right corner. Now we're gonna switch to video wallpapers, and now we can try to find whatever we like the most. Over here we have a couple of different categories that we can go through. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and now we can try to find anything that we like the most. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We should be able to see the animation, and if you like the wallpaper, you can tap on this download button, this purple button over here below the preview. And we have two options. You can either watch an ad in order to get the wallpaper for free, or you can use credits. We get actually 10 credits once you install the app. So pretty much the first wallpaper is for free. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use credits straight away. There we go. Now we can tap on set video wallpaper. Now let's wait. There we go. Here we can tap on set wallpaper at the bottom of the screen. And then I'm gonna choose home screen and lock screen. I want it on both. We can close this premium offer again if needed, and actually we can exit the app. And there we go, we have animated wallpaper. In case the animation is not working, you can go back to the app. Let me reopen it. There we go. You want to go to my Zech in the bottom right corner, and then you should be able to find your wallpaper in here, so you can tap on it and you can apply it again. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.